how to see your login activity on Gmail. So in this video, I'll show you how to see where you're currently signed into and all of your previous login activity. Now I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on mobile as well. Now the first step is to head over to the website google.com and make sure you're signed into your Google account. You can then press Gmail. Now click on your profile icon and click on Manage your Google account. Now from the left hand side, click on Security and Sign In. At the very top of this page, you'll see Review Security Activity. So any suspicious or new logins is going to be listed in this window here. Now you can also scroll down this page and you'll see this section called Your Devices. Now this is all of the places that you're currently signed into on Gmail. So just go and press Manage All Devices. And if you see a device here that you don't recognize, you can go and click on it. You can then click on this sign out button and you can go and sign out of this device remotely. Now just remember that your Google account and your Gmail account are essentially the same thing, and that's how to check your Gmail login activity.